How? Well, hurry up then. Oh, stick there.
So you have to set.
Look at your mate, the pool. Get in the water. Get in the water. Get in the water. How deep?
Can't get a good enough view. We're up to your pill. We're up to the bottom of the door here, Jono. Well, seriously, we're up to the bottom of the door there. It was so nerve-wracking. Okay, my message went through, so get to the highway. Take it easy if it's corner, because fuckwits love to slide around it.